In the 1870s and 80s, trees were rapidly disappearing from the South Australian landscape. This was the result of land clearing to plant grain and a reluctance by farmers to diversify their crops. So Arbor Day was established to address the loss of trees and native forest. South Australia's first Arbor Day was held on the 20th of June, 1889. Thousands of Adelaide school children and dignitaries met in Victoria Square. Led by police troopers and the police band, they marched to Victoria Park. There, Governor Kintore planted the first tree, a weeping Scotch elm. His wife, Lady Kintore, then planted a bunya tree. A single gunshot then rang out. It was fired by Albert Molyneux, editor of the Garden and the Field Journal and secretary of the Arbor Day Committee. This was the signal for the planting squads of each school to begin. The pupils, distinguished by different coloured rosettes, planted 757 trees that day. Arbor Day became an annual event which spread from the city to the suburbs and country. It was a time to celebrate trees for their practical value and as beautiful additions to places across South Australia.